Sa inyo lahat. Hi guys! Good evening po. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Sorry guys for not talking for like almost 10 minutes. Inantay ko lang mag 400 viewers. Dapat nga 500 viewers eh. Pero inantay ko na talaga mag 400 viewers before I can talk. It's a prank! Hindi, yun lang. Lamig ba? Naka-aircon lang. Malakas yung aircon. At saka trip ko lang mag-jacket for today's video. Ang ganda. Maganda ba boses ko? Thank you. Guys, di ba nga sabi ko, let's catch up tonight. Quick live lang to, as in quick live lang. And then, you can ask me anything, like ask me about my day, about anong pinagkakaabalahan ko. And then I'll do the same. I'll ask you guys the same. And then just comment down below and I'll react. Umulan ba? Kumusta training mo? Mabuti naman. I had... Kahapon ba yun? Yung volleyball? That was yesterday, right? Yeah. I learned so much from our training kahapon kasi weakness ko talaga yung service na tawag dito? Overhead? Is that called overhead na service? Tsaka, yun nga, weakness ko siya. But then, kahapon, natutunan ko paano mag-live. Mag-live tuloy. Paano service ng hindi underhand service. Sobrang natuwa talaga ako. Yeah. Pero sana magawa ko talaga siya sa actual game. Guys, huwag kayong mag-expect ha. Baka naman mag-expect kayo na, ay, si V mag-service yan ng ganito, magaling yan. Guys, no, please. Ayoko. Lower your expectations, guys, sa akin sa volleyball. Pero sa badminton, excited ako kasi intense din yung training talaga namin sa badminton. Like, aside from volleyball, di din talaga biro yung training namin sa badminton. And kaduo ko nga dito si Kao Kao. Excited na ako. And she's a team player. Like, even if si Kao, hindi siya talaga naglalaro ng badminton. Kahit ako naman, pero, like, yeah. Kasi yung sport niya, di ba, is basketball. Ano siya, like, talagang fast learner siya sa sports. So, yeah, yun. Masaya. Talagang sakit talaga sa katawan, promise. As in buong katawan, masakit. Thank you po sa virtual gifts. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Team Calvary for All-Star Games. Sige, sabihin ko na lang din kaya kung aside from volleyball and badminton, i-reveal ko na ba sa inyo? Kasi sabihin ko na kung ano pa yung isang gagawin ko sa All-Star Games. Hindi, para lang ma-excite kayo, syempre. Kasi hindi ko sasabihin, baka mag-expect kayo na news ako eh. Sige, hulaan nyo. Anong gagawin ko aside from volleyball and badminton? I don't want you to see me, cause I'm not wanna see you. Performance, yeah, sige. Pero anong performance? I wish naka-type ko yung matapang, pero hindi eh. Dance, yeah. Sasayaw ako. Kasi, syempre kailangan kong sabihin sa mga nagsabi na huwag sabihin. Parang importante din kasi for me na sabihin para alam niyo kung ano yung gagawin ko. Like, maabangan niyo, di ba? Kasi, if you guys are coming to the All-Star Games, gusto ko syempre na sulat din yung pagpunta niyo doon, di ba? So, kahit na may volleyball at badminton na ako, nag-yes pa rin ako to cheerleading. Hindi naman siya like, yung sa para may bato-bato, ganyan. Parang like sayaw lang talaga. Group siya, as a group. May mga ibang artists din ako kasama. Pero hindi siya like very stunts ha. May kasama naman kami na talagang cheerleading team talaga. So, yeah, like kami parang singit lang kami. Singit lang kami sa performance. Thank you, guys. That's for parang halftime performance ng basketball. Yeah. So, most probably, badminton, yung unang sports, I think it's gonna happen in the morning. Guys, morning ha. Morning. Kailangan nyo gumising ng maaga that day. Morning ang badminton, tapos I think next yung volleyball, I think, tas basketball. Basketball, syempre kailangan nyo manood ng badminton. Doon kami ni Kaukaw eh. niya sa badminton. Di pa ako sure. I thank you po, Tita Mira, sa pa-diamond shower. Mamaya, I'm gonna mention our top virtual gifter, so, yeah. Mukha akong fresh, guys, kasi may makeup ako kanina pa to sa pae. Di pa ako nagtanggal ng makeup. Para fresh ako sa live for you guys. Thank you po. Thank you, Team Vibrant. Go get your girl ng ball for... I know! Pinapanindigan ko talaga yung pagiging go-getter girl ko. Like, even before showbiz, you guys, like, some of you know na I am an achiever. Like, gusto ko talaga madaming na-achieve in life. Like, even sa school, parang dami ko sinasalihan, nag-glee club ako, nag-choir ako, nag-dance club ako. I even tried volleyball, I think, like, at some point, nung grade school. Pero hindi ko siya tinuloy kasi dahil ata sa glee club or sa choir. Yeah. Tapos, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, guys, pero sa ACADS din kasi, like, medyo competitive din ako. Pero lalo na nung grade school. Nung high school kasi parang, wala na masyadong paki nung high school kasi, like, science high school eh. So, talagang matatalino yung mga schoolmates ko, mga kaklase ko. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-effort kasi sabi ko, hirap ko ipag-compete dito, pero matatalino yung mga classmates ko. So, sabi ko, okay, basta just, do my best pa rin. But, I didn't want to pressure myself din kasi parang ayoko syempre na ma-depress ako because of school, di ba? I didn't want that. Same for you guys. Don't pressure yourself lang talaga. Basta as long as you know what you want and, di ba? You'll do great. Kailan ka magka-college? May right time for everything, guys. And, medyo nakikiramdam pa ako sa career ko. Yeah, if that makes sense. Hopefully very soon. Yeah, hopefully very soon. Kasi syempre, if mag-college ako, gusto ko din na mapagtuunan din ng pansin. Kasi nung nag-senior high ako, medyo, hindi ko masyadong naayos yung nahiraos naman, yung senior high. Kasi medyo medyo madami din akong ginagawa at that time. Tapos pinagsabay ko pa sa pag-aaral. So, yeah. And then those were the times as well na parang medyo uninspired na talaga ako mag-aral that time. Pero ngayon kasi, di ba, like after a very long time, parang mamimiss mo kasi mag-aaral. So, like, inaantay ko lang na bumalik talaga yung will ko and motivation ko to study again. Kasi, mahirap talaga if hindi mo gusto yung gagawin mo. You'll feel depressed and talagang mas-stress ka. And I don't want that. Sa ang school, ako any naman. Basta, totoong like, may matutunan talaga ako and worth it naman. Basta gusto ko yung course. Say I'm the only one you need. Say I'm the only secret you keep. Don't break me down. Next naming aabangan from me, like project, like any project. Syempre hindi ko pa pwede i-reveal sa inyo guys kapag hindi pa na-reveal din ng management. So for now, Pi muna. I'm gonna be there din ulit tomorrow sa Pi, Wednesday, with Aljon. Hindi ko pa alam kung sino yung iba namin kasama. Pero yun, tomorrow sa Pi at 6:15 p.m. to 7 p.m. 45 minutes na lang on weekdays and then 1 hour every Saturday. Yeah. Ano ba? Yeah, di kasi din ako makapag-asap kasi may schedule na inaano eh. Parang nagka-clash and then hindi natutuloy, napopostpone. So yeah, ano ba? I have a Vogue event on Monday. It's an event for like, I think mga young influencers, celebrities, I think. Ano pa ba? In All-Star Games, May 21. And, ayaw mo na sabihin ko, hindi ko nagpate. Ano na lang, basta guys, keep streaming Matapang, okay? Please, I'm encouraging you all to keep streaming Matapang, spread it to everybody, share it to your friends, your followers, and watch the music video as well on Star Music's YouTube channel, yung music video, yung official music video, yung lyric video, performance video. Ayan. Papanood niyo po sa kanila isa-isa. Lapit na mag 90k streams on Spotify. Wow, thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat ng nag-effort talaga na mag-stream. I see all your efforts, guys. Alam ko yan. Last time, kasama ko sila Ate Chai and then nasa station head siya. Tapos, ayun. I was there beside her listening to the songs we played there sa station head. We were there. Oh, guys, by the way, sino dito mga students who want to watch All-Star Games? To support me, of course. If you guys want to watch All-Star Games, support me. Magpapamigay po ang aking official fans club na Survivory OFC. So, may pag-giveaway po sila. May free tickets po sila sa mga students. So, just contact them. Ate Chai, paano kayo Ate Dons. Sa Twitter, yeah, you can just contact them or reach out to them through Twitter. Survivory OFC. Yun. Pangasinan? Dito lang yan, di ba? Kala mo. Aray ko. Oh yeah, guys, nagkapalit yung sash na. Di ko napansin. As in, late ko na napansin. Nung pagka-uwi ko na nagkapalit pala yung sash namin ni Brent. From Nueva Ecija. Ate Chai, paano yung mga from malalayo na students? Like, what can we do about it? Ilang oras ng biyahe. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay niyo, sa lahat ng mga nanay na andito. Happy Mother's Day! Is it today? Di ba isn't it May 12? Happy Mother's Day sa mga mami niyo. Oh, May 14. May 14. May 14. Advance Happy Mother's Day! Oh yes, I'm a fur mommy. Thank you po sa virtual gifts. Oh, every second Sunday of May. Now I know. Sa mga students, syempre, since All-Star Games is diba? Sunday. Yun nga, if malalayo kayo, you have to leave early then, ganun. Like, hindi niyo matatapos yun. If you have, like, class the next day. Add ako ng song. Wait lang, guys. So, one of my favorite songs right now ni Ariana. Ito. Like, I'm obsessed with this song right now. I don't know, di ko alam ba't sinabi niyang one of the most boring songs nila to. Wait lang, katayin ko lang, sabayan ko lang to guys, ito. How do I make the phone ring? What do I eat? Char. How are you all around me when you're not really there? When you're not really there. How do I feel you on me when you're not on my skin? Why do you say you want me and tell me you're not coming in? Baby, just come on in. Oh yeah, 'cause every time I'm with you I go into a zone. And I remember all the places you wanna go. Take me all the way. Ain't nobody gonna touch it, touch it, touch it. 'Cause every time I see you I don't wanna behave. So let's pick up the pace. Oh yeah. Sa mga students from Malalayo, I think next time na lang guys. Or of course if you want to go, I'm not holding you guys back. Pero, medyo mahirap nga kasi Sunday yung event eh. Like, malalayo pa kayo, may class pa kayo. So, hirap. Lalo na if mag-commute kayo. Yeah, manifesting mall show sa Visayas and Mindanao. Remind me why we're taking a break. It's obviously insane, 'cause we both know what we want. So why don't we fall in love? Baby, let's fall in love. Oh, 'cause every time I'm with you I go into a zone. And I remember all the places you go. Take me all the way. Ain't nobody gonna touch it, touch it, touch it. Wanna behave. I'm tired of being patient, so let's pick up the pace. Take me all the way. Ain't nobody gonna touch it, touch it, touch it. Yeah, siguro ano na lang, watch na lang kayo ng live stream if meron. I hope meron. Live stream for All-Star Games. Like para sa lahat ng mga from malalayo pa, diba? While we're taking a break, it's obviously insane, 'cause we both know what we want. So why don't we fall in love? Walang live stream ba? Sad. Live stream. Pero feeling ko meron, like, pag may mahanap kayo na, like, random na nagla-live stream for All-Star Games, I think meron naman. Di payakap sa All-Star Games? Sure! No problem! Ako payakap sa'yo. We will cheer for you. Oh, thank you guys! I'm really, really hoping to see you guys there kasi, sobrang nahahappy talaga ako every time I see you guys sa mga live events, like All-Star Games or mga mall shows, ganyan. As in, super na-feel ko yung love nyo. Pero of course, if hindi ka makakapunta, syempre, I understand naman. Like, completely. Like, I hope to meet you guys, like, each one of you, and express my gratitude towards you all kasi hindi biro syempre yung mga efforts na ginagawa at binibigay nyo sa akin. Like, magpapatrend pa lang, engaging in posts related sa akin, and watching my events, my shows, ganyan. So, yeah. Super na-appreciate ko talaga. Okay, next song. Next song, guys. Oh, Angels Like You. Okay. May TikTok ako nito kasi di ko ni-release. Nasa drafts ko lang siya. Like, exact yung ko. Thank you po, Mother Vivery. Ayoko na, kaya ang OA. Baka mag-cringe kayo. Like, nilip-sync ko lang siya, ganyan. Flowers in hand, waiting for me. Every word in poetry won't call me by name, only baby. More that you give. Thank you, G-Vibries, for Miss Universe. Look happy when it feels right. Wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees, cause you say the misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to can't be what you need. Baby, angels like you can fly downhill with me. I'm everything they said I would be. Aww. I'm everything they said I would be. I'll put you down slow, love you goodbye. Before you let go, just one more time. Take off your clothes, pretend that it's fine. A little more hurt won't kill you tonight. Mother says you don't look happy. Close your eyes. I know that you're wrong for me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees, cause they say that misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything, and it's not your fault to can't be what you need. Baby, angels like you can fly downhill with me. I'm everything they said I would be. Oh, next vlog? This week, guys. Yung vlog ko with Kao Kao, I'm gonna upload it this week. Nag-bake kami. Wala akong vlog sa prom, guys. Pero I heard yung kasama ko dun meron. Know that you're wrong with me. Gonna wish we never met on the day I leave. I brought you down to your knees, cause you say the misery loves company. It's not your fault to ruin everything. Baby, angels like you can fly downhill with me. Whoa, angels like you can fly downhill with me. Thank you. Okay, sa pag-play. Whatever. Hindi naman para sa ito, Ate Dons eh. Feeling ka naman. Bago kang feeling, Jorn. Sino ka, John? Alam ko na. Taylor Swift. Chums. August. Ooh, that's my birth month. August. Oh my gosh, 100k diamonds sa pala. Guys, thank you. Thank you so much sa lahat naman nagbabagsak ng virtual gifts. Gatsby Indy Jr., thank you. Sa lahat ng mga old, I mean like, not literally old, you know, but like yung mga virtual gifters ko from my previous Kumu live streams. Thank you so much. And even sa mga bago ngayon, maraming salamat po. Hindi ba? I didn't mean it like that. I mean old. I mean like dati pa. Like, you guys know what I mean. Okay? I don't mean no harm. I'm harmless. Okay. Dali guys, sabayan niyo ako. Dali. Sensible and so incredible, and all my single friends are jealous. Single din ako, Bingi. Paano yan? Everything I need to hear this. Let's go, 600 viewers. Ito na lang. Oh my gosh, 600 viewers na! Get into his car and he says, you look beautiful tonight. Wait, thank you sa mga viewers ko. Love you guys. And I miss screaming and fighting and kissing in the rain, and it's 2 a.m. and I'm cussing your name. So in love that you act insane, and that's the way I loved you. I love you guys. Screenshot niya na to. Never makes me wait, and he calls exactly when he says he will. He's close. Hey guys, saan tayo? Karaoke tayo. I mean, ano tayo? Concert tayo. Dali, sabayan niyo ako ha. Thank you, Ate Hayes, sa pa-diamond shower. And it's 2 a.m. and I'm cussing you. Next time dyan, baby shower na. Yay! And that's the way I loved you. Breaking down and coming undone. It's a roller coaster kind of rush, and I never knew I could feel that much. You. Ay, hindi ba? Sorry. Di ba yun ba tayo mag-shower? Ay, nako. I can't play guitar, guys. My nails are long. Okay, the 1975 next. Press 1 if you guys want me to play the 1975 next. Kasi di ako sure kung okay ako sa kanila ni Taylor. I don't know how to feel. We were so mistaken. I'm screaming and fighting and kissing in the rain, and it's 2 a.m. and I'm kissing your name. So in love and I act, and that's the way I loved you. Breaking down and coming undone. It's a roller coaster kind of rush, and I never knew I could feel that much, and that's the way I loved you. Tulad ng ilog na hindi tumitigil sa pag-ahas. Pag-ibig di matata. Taylor X. Kalyali. Taylor Swift. Guys, alam nyo, excuse me, talent ko talaga mag-remix ng song, mag-mash up. Kasi, even yung matapang ko na song, naging hype. Ano yun? New Jeans. New Jeans pala. Okay. Sige, wait lang. Hindi. Siguro kapag mag-play pa tayo ng more songs, baka bigla akong may maisip na mashup. Next song. Ano next song, guys? Mali pa yun good kay good things are happening. You know? And syempre, always stay happy. Choose happiness. Choose kindness. Thank you po sa virtual gifts. Choose love. Well, choose kindness. Kasi if you're kind, like if you're genuine and if you're good, if you're beautiful inside and out, magre-reflect yan outside. And yeah. Kumbaga, if you have a positive mindset talaga, parang magre-reflect talaga yun. Magiging masayang tao ka talaga. Kahit anong problema mo, kahit anong situation mo, magiging masayang tao ka. It's like, you just trust God. You just trust what He can do in your life. Ganon, parang ganon. Share ko lang. Okay, next song. Ano kayo, pili kayo dapat kung ano yung pinakamarami kong song title na makita sa comment section. Tikit muna ako. Tapos kung ano yung makita ko, yun yung ipi-play ko. In 3, 2, 1. Always. Okay, always. Sino kanta niyan? Always, I wanna be with you. Yun ba yun? Yan. Sige, yun pala. Okay. Yun ba? Ano yun, di ba? NSYNC? NSYNC ba yun? Or Box? NSYNC ba yun? Or... Backstreet Boys. Charot, di pala to. Daniel Padilla? Always by Daniel Padilla. Wala eh. Bagal to eh. Hindi always eh. Charot lang. Ito naman syempre alam ko tong kantang to. Favorite ko to eh. I mean, one of my favorites. Okay, play natin. Yan muna tayo, water. Kasi ano. Maganda to sa bayan. Ano ba? Ano ba? Wow, may kaaway. Eh, kasi parang may phlegm eh. Di ba nga nagkasakit ako, galing ako sa sakit kasi parang... Hindi, baka sa kinain ko lang. Anyways. And maybe I'm wrong for writing this song, losing my head over you. And I'll be here, cause we both know how it goes. Don't want things to change. Second voice, ano ako pangit ba? Party, party. And I don't care if you were somebody else. I'll give you time and space. Just know I'm not faced. Always. Madalas ka ba dito? Ooh, really? Can I buy you a drink? Hey Hindi ko pa mahanap sa Spotify. Woo! Wrong channel pala. Over you. Oy, they got this. And I'll be here. 'Cause we both know how. Whoa. Sorry na, Daniel. Sorry na. If you're with somebody else, I'll give you time and space. Moody tayo. Biglang seryoso. The face is always, and forever. Iris. Acting acting ko, guys. Oy, next song. Come on, guys. Crazier. Matapang. Stream Matapang by Vibery. Sino to? Sino ang kumanta na to? Sino kumanta na to, guys? Hindi ako sure talaga. Hindi ako familiar sa mga kasi. Local artists. Lodi nyo? Ba yun, Lodi nyo? Di ko kilala. Gusto ko hindi ko kilala, tapos sumabay bigla. Bigla sumabay. Ano niya? Galing din. Yung itong hand ko, sakit. Dahil sa volleyball training. Kung mawala ka, natatakot akong makasama. Di mapigilan sa lamas. Lalasan na. Scars? Ano yung scars? Iris, sige. Buwan at ang bituin ang malilim. Matutupod ulit si James na tatata. Unwell. I love your cover of Iris. Thank you po. Guys, I'm planning to do another cover song then very soon. So, yeah. Napostpone lang siya last time kasi nagkasakit nga ako. Pero I don't know what song to sing. Baka may masuggest kayo. Just tweet me or tag me. I'll find you. din pala sa mga nag-suggest ng book ha. Mga nag-tweet ng book fair course. Sinad din kasi sa akin nila Ate Chay. So thank you guys. Bukayan ko yan soon. Ikaw na sana. Ikaw na sana. Yes, I know Dionella. Is it not pronounced as Dionella or Jonella? Dionella? Yeah, I know that song. Yung musika is in one of my playlists right now. My OPM playlist. Yeah, even yung ibang songs niya. Ang ganda. First song na sinave ko ni Jonella was Dionella was was Akala. Pakinggan yun, maganda yun. Pero ano siya, Akala ba? Charot. Akala nga. Maganda din. Medyo sad. I mean like, mellow, gano'n. Scars? Ba't mo naman nag-comment ng Scars? Ano meron sa Scars? By Kinanti? Ay, Kinanti tuloy. Kinante? Okay. Yeah. Next. Yung mga intro talaga ng mga tugtugan dati, grabe yung timeless. Diba? Alam mo nang every breath you take to eh. Alam mo nang... Takot. Charot. May new song si Ed Sheeran. Hindi pa napapakinggan. I'll be watching. Every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see, you belong to me. How a poor heart aches with every step you take. Oh, Fave Carpenter song? I don't know, I can't pick, guys. I love the Carpenters. Di ako makapili, I swear, I can't choose. Ang ganda ng song nila. I won't last a day. Top of the world. Love me for what I am. They long to be. Ito. Hello? Ito muna. Why do would run away. Oh my God. I would run away. I would run away. I would run away with you. Because I'm falling in love with you. No, no, no. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Aww. I was lay down dreaming of you, yeah, I love that thing. Yeah, I won't last a day without you, Mega Super. You have my heart. Away, I have run away. Cause I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng songs nila. Never run away. I will run away. Will run away with you. I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with you. Kuya, may concert kasi sila sa the fourth dito, pero kailan yun? Kailan ulit yun? August? Oh. Kailan ba talaga? August, October, November? Ano ba talaga? Aww. So, grabe yung mga songs ng The Cars nakaka-in love. Or ito. Ito. Classic. Go on, leave me breathless. Oh my gosh, classic, grabe. The daylight fades slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me. Ito pala, may playlist kasi ako. It's called Saturdays. And like parang more on yung mga songs sa andon, more on like mga chill songs, underrated, or like more on like hindi masyadong sikat na mga songs, ganyan. Or like basta yung chill lang yung vibes. Pero sa magagawa ko ng playlist mamaya siguro, or basta gagawa ko ng playlist. Tapos, ano follow? Gagawa ko ng playlist na Sundays siguro, or like more on mga oldies na songs. More on mga oldies kasi, di ba usually kapag Sunday, ewan ko lang sa inyo guys ha, pero sa, oldies but goodies, sa amin kasi sa probinsya, like every Sunday talaga, pinapatugtog ng mga magulang ko, or like, sa anywhere, is puro mga old songs. Mga old songs talaga. Diba? So, yeah, gagawa ako ng playlist ng like for Sunday vibes. Like, oh my gosh. Yung talaga yung mga nilook forward to ko sa sa tawag dito. Nag-jump ako. Lamig ng aircon. Tawag dito. Pag Sunday, yung ano talaga, like, pagising mo, yung mga tugtugan, nasa like mga old songs na agad. So, wala lang. Nakakatuwa lang. Here, kasi nyo marinig playlist ko. I mean, may playlist ako dito na para mga favorite kong old songs, I think. Wait lang. Check ko. Dito ba? Playlist. Wait lang, guys. Saan makikita? Create playlist. Saan ba? Well, dami kasing playlist kasi as in like mga siguro 1K playlists nito. Like yung mga pinag-save ko na playlists. Yeah. Asan ba makikita? Kasi nasa laptop kasi ako eh. Nasa laptop ako. Wait lang ha. Guys, di ko mahanap. Wait lang. Paano ba? Sige, ganito na lang. Comment kayo ng mga favorite nyo old songs. Yeah, yung mga 80s, 90s, 70s, yan. Here I am. Oh my gosh, guys. As in, iba talaga yung feeling kapag mga old songs, yung napapakinggan ko. Like, parang nadadala ako sa ibang dimension. Like, nadadala ako sa ibang panahon. Which is, syempre, yung past, diba? Nostalgia, grabe. Here I am. Hindi ko na sige. Ano yung sinuggest kanina? Napapalik ko sana. Yung letter S yun eh. Scars! Ito by Kinante. Pakinggan ko ito. Ay, naka-download siya sa akin. Ang ganda. Uy, tweet niyo sa akin yung mga favorite yung old songs, guys. Kanta lang, come what may, here I am, with a smile. Pareho ng melody. Lamig na nga. Yeah, I know. His cars off. Air supply. Grabe, air supply talaga. Lalo na si Papa. Diyos ko, puro air supply pinapatugtog niyan. Sabi, okay? Air supply. Westlife. Yan, air supply. Si Mama naman, Regine Velasquez. Carpenters, ayan. Kenny Rogers. Makanta ba si Kenny Rogers? Eagles, yan. Kenny Rogers? Yun nga eh, kaya na naisip ko eh. Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers. Siya ni owner ng Kenny Rogers. Kapangalan sila. Named after Kenny Rogers na singer yung Presto na yun. Ano ba ba kayo tinatanong ko? Ah, yes. Ah, okay. Ooh. Ah, siya yung kumakanta ng Tats. Bye, Tats. Yung ba yun? See me over for you. Siya ba founder ka? Ewan ko, basta yun. Sige. Ano yung title ng Touch by Touch? Kenny Rogers. Uy, ba't pagkain naisip ko? Kasi yung Touch by Touch. Gusto yung Touch by Touch. Ano title nun? Gusto ko yung, kasi kino-comment niyo talaga yung ano eh, yung about kay Kenny Rogers. Yung ba title? Touch by Touch. Yun ba yun? Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Do it. Everything. Okay. Touch by Touch. Ba't wala? Ba't Dancing Queen? Ba't Joy? Joy? Ah, Joy. Joy yung kumanta. Alam ko si Kenny Rogers kasi. Joy din tayo. Tayo lang. Kapung kap. Kapung kap. Kapung kap. Kapung kap. Magawa sila magsalita. Oh, bloody. Oh, blada. Wait lang, gusto ko mabutan yung Touch by Touch. What? You're my all-time It's grammatically wrong. Wait lang ha. It's grammatically wrong. Like, because then the flames grows higher. Diba it's plural? Flames is plural, diba? It should be because then the flame grows higher. Or the flames grow higher. Diba? Am I right? Say I am right. Dayang. Diba? Alright. Thank you for the validation. I really needed it. It's right then. So, tama din to pala. Tama din to. Tama naman palagi mga babae. Bakit? May problema ka ba if tama palagi mga babae? Ha? Eh, marami na kaming isipin, wag mo nang dagdagan. Eh, di sorry na. Sorry na. Nausi lang naman ako. Toto, yeah. Toto Bibo. Ba, dagdagan. Ayan. Yun na nga lang kausap ko eh. Tapos ayaw nyo pang lapitan ko kayo para ano? Ayaw nyo pang makadagdag ako sa problema nyo. Hindi wag. Hindi na ako magsasalita talaga, no? Ba't ba natin ginagawa to? Ba't ba ako nagla-live, di ba? Hindi, walang pa-party. Ba't ako pa-party? Wala ako sa mood na. Wala na ako sa mood, guys. Wala na. Hindi ako pa-fall. Excuse me. Kung hindi kita gusto, hindi ako magpapakita ng motibo. Okay? Ano yung sasabi ko? Pero thank you sa diamond shower ba yun? Ay. Wala, naglag na. Wala, Okay na. Huling-huli yun talaga gigil ko eh. Kanina nagpa-party-party pa tayo, di ba? Tapos nagpapatugtog pa tayo ng favorite song, ng old song. Tapos ngayon, ay, audition ako sa Concha Vida role. Ano kayang... Kunwari, okay, may nag-sorry na. Okay, bati na tayo. Bati na, guys. Bati na! Okay, alam ko na, magpapatugtog tayo ng pang Concha Vida. Anong di bagay sa akin, ha? Ano kung nakuha niyo gigil ko, Dito? pang James Bond. James Bond villain, ganon. Di mo bagay masungit. I know, right? But we'll try our best. Uy! the closest, the closest that I've ever been, ewan ko, wag na mag-English pala. Ang pinaka-close na parang naging villain ako is yung character ko as Freya talaga sa Huwag Kang Mangamba. It's one of, if not one of my most favorites, it's my favorite character to play. Tawag dito? Na nagampanan ko. Swear. Like, Freya, you will be missed forever. Guys, as in, sobrang favorite ko talaga yung character na yun. Like, kasi iba siya sa mga characters na nagampanan ko before. And, as in, na-proud ako sa sarili ko noon. Yeah. Ang angas ko doon, di ba? I know, right? Aww. Pinagsasampal. Diyos ko, day! Alam nyo, grabe yung, ang lakas kaya ng sampal nun. Promise. I mean, syempre, no hate towards kaya, Miss. Miss Andrea, exactly. Nasa Dirty Linen kasi siya ngayon, di ba? Si Miss Andrea Del Rosario. Grabe, ang lakas ng sampal niya. As in, guys, like, alam mo, di pong, parang feeling ko na-dislocate yung jaw ko. As in, ang lakas talaga. Grabe. Totoo yung reaction ko doon. Syempre, umarte din ako. Nasabi sa'yo after. Syempre, sorry naman. Sa ako, syempre, alam ko naman trabaho lang. So, kahit pagsampal-sampalin ako, ganyan. It's like, if it's for, a scene. Game naman ako. Para kasi I believe in like, authentic, organic acting. Ganon. Kung ano man yung kailangan gawin to let it out and to make it look natural, very natural on screen, then I'm down. Yeah. Gusto artista na sumampal sa akin. Siguro si Ate Kath. Parang gusto mong masampal ni Ate Kath. Excuse me. Yeah. Isang take lang ba yun? To get to the feels. Isang take lang ba yun? Hindi ko na matandaan. Siguro, actually, para feeling ko hindi. Feeling ko more than one take yun. Yung latigo medyo totoo din. Ay, hindi naman parang gandaya lang ata yun. Grabe raw sampal mo kay JC. Hello, stranger. Guys, totoo yun. Okay, thank you po sa 200k diamonds. Sino nagsabi na grabe yung sampal ko kay JC? Si JC ba? Nilaglag niyo ba ako? Si JC. Hindi kasi, fun fact, siya kaya yung nagsabi na sampalin ko siya. Wala sa script yun, guys. Promise, wala sa script yun. Wala sa script yun, I swear. Pero, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung naging result niya. Like, ang ganda. Like, very organic. I love it. Very Kukay and Miko. And like, yung reaction ni JC, priceless talaga. Kasi, hindi niya in-expect na gagawin ko. Kasi wala talaga. Nahimasmasan siya. Kasi hindi ba lasing siya nun? Yeah. So, kunwari kontrabida ako. Ang pangit. Hindi, kaya ko naman maging mukhang intimidating, guys. ang tinitingnan. Hindi talaga, Mio. Oy. Guys, hindi lang ako mukhang intimidating ngayon o hindi lang mukhang bagay sa akin yung mga villain or maldita vibes kasi mga maldita roles kasi nakakumulay ako. And syempre, iba yung vibes na nakikita nyo sa akin ngayon, di ba? Ano na lang, pag may project na talagang binigay sa akin ng villain ako, I'm gonna slay it. Gugulat na lang kayo. Tsaka yung sa ano nga, yung sa character ko nga sa Wag Kang Mga Bana si Freya, parang it's like close to a villain character. Kasi parang, ano siya, yeah, medyo mataray siya dun eh, nung una, sa ano. Yung mukha akong natatawa. Kasi nga, natatawa ko sa inyo. I can't take you guys seriously. I mean myself seriously, sorry. Feeling ko bagay din naman sa akin kasi yung facial features ko, ano naman yun, di ba? Tsaka maldita talaga ako in real life, guys. Wala akong issue. Confident na walang issue. Wala akong issue so far. Sa buong buhay ng career ko, wala akong ginanong tao. Kaya, yun. Action star! Ayan, sige. Pero alam niyo dati, naisip ko, kaya siguro hindi pa ako nabibigyan ng action star na roles. Alam niyo bakit? Alam niyo bakit? Kasi mukha kong buto, as in like, sobrang nipis ko dati, sobrang payat ko dati. Feeling siguro na, ay, if mag-action star to, ano, parang, mabilis to, ano, igulabog, ganun, mabilis siyang, ano, mabilis makidnap, ganun, mga ganun, mabilis mabali, ganun. Mababali to. Pag nag-ano to, action, mababali, yan. Ang tawag dun, makuan ba, makuan ba, kalabira ba, suda, ikaw. Mabungkag, mabungkag. Mapunit, oo, kakalas. That's the word, yeah, kakalas. Pag naging action star to, kakalas to agad. Mabungkag. Mabali, yeah. Shout out sa mga Bisaya, dira. Baka madala sa hangin. Mapalid ba? Mapalid. Ayan. In a few minutes, guys, I'm gonna end my live na. Hiluton na lang. Laag po Davao Vipuhon. Grabe naman yung kaya ng glue. Sana may ganong glue, di ba? Sa Cebu. Uy, nag-Cebu ko last time. I mean, sa The Ironheart pala. I think, Ironheart pala. Excuse me. Good luck tomorrow. Thank you. So, tomorrow, guys, oh my gosh, ano bang ganap ko bukas? Bukas, I have pie. Oh, yeah. Tomorrow lunchtime, I have badminton training. Tapos, after that, yeah, pie. Tapos, after Wednesday. Okay. 11 pala yung sunod-sunod ganap ko. 11. I have radio guesting on May 11, guys. Tsaka volleyball training. Oh my gosh. Tapos as in, ngarag ako on, Thursday. Guys, pray for me. Yeah, thank you everybody. It's 10:30 na. I'm gonna mention our top, since umabot tayo ng 200k, I'm gonna mention our top 20 virtual gifters. So, thank you kay Gaspi Indy Jr., kay Tita Mira, kay Ate Hazel, kay ZJ0714, kay Chief Ivory, Ate Cha, user 8661068, my Amore Vivry, Amador Vivry, Nicole Antibus, Purple Lover Vivry, Vibrant 143, Kezia 13, Nile Red, It's Me, Nieza, Fairy Coolin 08, Alex, KDJ, and Moonyon0129, ILY_Vibery. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I have to rest early na din kasi may ganap pa tomorrow. May training pa. And like, bye. So, yeah, tapos na. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun spending the night with you guys. I love you all, and I hope to see you tomorrow sa bye. Please don't forget to watch. Bye-bye. Love you guys.